head to Australia's favourite hunting ground, the Gabba. Australia has not lost a match there since 1988.
ये बात होती थी कि वो ब्रिस्बेन में हारे ही नहीं है. They used to tell कि Gabba is a fortress kind of thing. There was lot of talk going on. They were creating pressure कि Gabba is like unbeatable for Australia. Every time they played Gabba, they win.
Australians have every right to expect that they'll win at the Gabba because they always have. 32 years since they've lost at the Gabba.
Our batters like batting there. Us bowlers really enjoy the pace and bounce in the wicket there. You know, the last test we felt pretty confident going to there.
बहुत सारे players injured हुए थे. First game, Mohammad Shami got injured. Second game, Umesh Yadav got injured. Third game, Jadeja, Bihari, Ashwin was struggling. So one day before, our physio said, Ashwin can't play. So tabhi, I was little worried, little nervous. क्योंकि अश्विन अगर नहीं खेल रहे तो हमारा बॉलिंग अटैक पूरा नया है. कोई भी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है.
For all, there was one test I feel that I wanted to play desperately was that test, but it's terrible. I couldn't walk for the next 3-4 days.
I think इतना सारा इंजरीज हो गया था हमारे कोई टीम में. ये बात यही चल रही थी कि ये इंजरी 11 है क्या?
We were short on army. The army was broken, battered. The arsenal was just not there. And but thankfully we had taken some reserves and net bowlers.
Net bowlers playing Test cricket. It told you all you needed to know about this tour as far as India were concerned.
Next day जब मैच के लिए गए तो मैं एक्चुअली बस में देख रहा था कि हमारे 11 प्लेयर्स हो रहे या नहीं हो रहे. हमारे अगर टॉस के पहले अगर कुछ होता है तो 11 प्लेयर नहीं बच पा रहे थे. एक कार्तिक त्यागी जो नेट बॉलर करके आए थे वो ही एक बचे थे.
एक दिन पहले की टीम अनाउंसमेंट नहीं करा क्योंकि सुबह ग्राउंड पे जाके अनाउंसमेंट करेंगे बोल के थे. तो मुझे सीरियसली मेरे को जब तक भी नहीं पता था कि बुमराह भाई नहीं खेल रहे. मुझे सुबह पता चला कि बुमराह भाई इंजर्ड है. तो मैं बोला एकदम मैं तो ये क्या हो गया यार, अब क्या करें.
Again, Natarajan was struggling, so Natarajan had to take 2 injections in his knee. And physio said अगर इंजेक्शन लेते हैं वो 3-4 दिन कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So I said okay. As long as मैच के दिन वो फिट हो जाते हैं, even if he's 70-80% fit, I just want that.
नटराजन का कैसे था ना, after the IPL he came as a net bowler, ठीक है. He played T20s, he played one day, and वो एक मोमेंटम क्रिएट हो रहा था. ऐसे रवि भाई और भरत अरुण सर बोल रहे थे यार मेरे को फर्स्ट टेस्ट मैच से मेरे को लग रहा है ना ये टेस्ट मैच भी खेल के जाएंगे.
Oh yeah, well wasn't originally in the test squad and stayed on the back of debuting in the white ball games, and there's Washington Sundar getting
Dad's birthday, which was on 4th of January. It was even before the Sydney test had even started. Just before he cut cake, I got myself on video call and I wished him happy birthday, youngster. He told me, I genuinely feel you will be playing the 4th test in the Australia series. So be prepared and be ready for that. I was honestly laughing.
सीरीज का आखिरी टॉस ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने जीता.
Tim Payne has won the toss and has chosen to bat.
टेस्ट क्रिकेट में ऑस्ट्रेलिया के पास विश्व की सबसे खतरनाक गेंदबाज चौकड़ी थी और भारत के 5 गेंदबाजों ने अब तक कुल 4 ही मैच खेले थे. दोनों टीमों के रिकॉर्ड्स और अनुभव में दिन रात का अंतर था.
हमारे 3 नए बॉलर, शार्दुल भी नया है, वॉशी भी नया है और नटराजन भी नया है. सिराज भी नया ही है. अभी हमारा पूरा बॉलिंग लाइनअप स्टैट वाइज हमारा एक्सपीरियंस मिला के टोटल 10 मैचेस का और उनके 3 फास्ट बॉलर का एक्सपीरियंस है मतलब 200-300 मैचेस का.
हडल में मैंने यही बात करी कि हम सब लोग रणजी ट्रॉफी खेले हैं और सभी के पास वो एक्सपीरियंस है. दिस इज नथिंग डिफरेंट. पेशेंस से हम बॉलिंग करेंगे और मैंने एक फ्रीडम दिया था सारे बॉलर्स को कि आपको जैसे फील्ड चाहिए आप वैसे फील्ड से बॉलिंग कीजिए, हम उसको बैक करेंगे. अगर वो प्लान नहीं वर्क करता देन विल गो विथ माय प्लान.
Day 1 at the Gabba.
1 महीने पहले तक तो सिराज ने टेस्ट क्रिकेट ही नहीं खेला था और यहाँ अपने तीसरे टेस्ट में वो गेंदबाजी दल के
Shardul Thakur wanted to make a big mark in the Gabba test and he came into bowl in his first ball, Harris flick.
Bring in the air, got him! That's what India wanted, what is breakthrough, what a...
Just before lunch, Ajubai called me. I thought he was actually going to make me stand somewhere else in the field. But then he was like, "Come, macha, come and bowl." And I was like, I got very excited and I wanted to make a mark.
Got him! Sundar breaks through!
इन पांचों के अलावा अब कोई भारतीय गेंदबाज था ही नहीं और नौबत ये कि एक भी खिलाड़ी इंजर्ड तो टीम खत्म और मैच भी.
Navdeep Saini. I don't know whether that's a broken heart from a drop catch. No, this is getting serious.
भारत को बस मार्नस को जीवन दान नहीं देना चाहिए.
Another test century on his home ground.
नटराजन को सिर्फ इसलिए रोका गया था कि भारतीय टीम नेट्स में बाएं हाथ की गेंदबाजी का अभ्यास कर सके. टेस्ट का पहला विकेट मिला.
Matthew Wade is gone.
First game in Australia, Gaba, and bowling against Australia, he did really well.
Oh, another one up in the air. Team Nagarajan with his second wicket in his maiden test match.
The last ball of the day. Australia at stumps 5 for 274.
32 साल से ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने गाबा में राज किया था.
50 for the Australian captain.
पर इस नई नवेली भारतीय गेंदबाजी ने ऑस्ट्रेलिया के 32 सालों का लिहाज नहीं रखा.
Gets him! Washington Sundar. That's the one that looks close. And given.
शार्दुल, वॉशिंगटन और नटराजन तीनों ने आपस में 3-3 विकेट बांट लिए थे.
I thought they bowled really well. They used the conditions effectively. Spinners took some key wickets.
इतनी अच्छी बॉलिंग किया बट मुझे एक ही विकेट मिली. वो ऑल आउट हो गए तो मैं ड्रेसिंग रूम में अंदर गया तो थोड़ा डल था. तो आके अरुण सर ने बोला कि तू बॉलिंग करने से आगे वाले को विकेट मिलते गई. तो यही सोच के तू बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग की. तो मुझे बहुत ही कॉन्फिडेंस मिला वो टाइम.
You know what's smarter is Bharat, the Indian bowling coach. He'd handpicked a really deep squad of good bowlers to the point where a net bowler could come out and do well in Test cricket. He deserves one of those film awards for Best Supporting Act.
There's one thing about, I guess, Indian debutants and new players nowadays. Maybe it's through the IPL, but they don't look like they're out of place. They debut and they look like they're already kind of the finished product. And I think you saw that at the Gabba. They all bowled really well, even without much experience.
भारतीय सलामी बल्लेबाजों को अपने गेंदबाजों की मेहनत को अगले मुकाम तक पहुंचाना था.
Mitch Starc with the new ball. Lovely flowing cover drives from Rohit Sharma.
पैट कमिंस ने 2 गेंदों में ही योजना पर पानी फेर दिया. रोहित को ऑस्ट्रेलिया कंगारुओं की मैच में वापसी होने लगी. बारिश होने से इन्होंने राहत की सांस ली. इस मुश्किल परिस्थिति में टीम को दोनों बल्लेबाजों की जरूरत थी.
Gets it through the cordon.
हेजलवुड को जोड़ियों में सेंध लगाने का बड़ा शौक है. रहाने 37 रनों पर वापस पवेलियन में थे.
सबको स्टार्ट मिल रहे थे बट कन्वर्ट कोई नहीं कर पा रहा था. तो थोड़ा सा मोमेंटम उनकी तरफ शिफ्ट हुआ ऑस्ट्रेलिया. फिर प्रेशर था कि यार गाबा है, वी हैव टू डू वेल, लास्ट मैच है.
अग्रवाल का अपने नए स्थान से एक बड़े स्कोर तक जाना दिख रहा था. एक गलती ने सारी संभावनाओं पर पानी फेर दिया.
I didn't know that I was going to be part of the test series or test squad going into the tour. So I did not carry white pads along with myself. I had blue pads with me since I was only part of the shorter format. So I thought I'd get pads from Ash.
Anna, can I take your pads? I said, of course, but mine is the right-hander pads. Then he actually took my pads and used it, which is when I realized it was actually left-hander's pads. So this is crazy.
I definitely did expect the first ball to be a bouncer because I knew that's how they would welcome me to Test cricket.
Welcome to Brisbane.
I wanted to play with utmost grit. You know, I wanted to show a lot of character and mental toughness because I knew the fact that they were going to bowl a lot of bouncers.
वॉशिंगटन ने मजबूत रहने की कोशिश की।
It's like the bloke driving in park.
पंत का विकेट और भारत को बड़ा नुकसान।
We started well, but we kept losing wickets, and at one stage we were 180 for 6, and that's when we realized that we are in a lot of trouble.
शार्दुल ठाकुर मैदान में आए। ठाकुर के लिए पैट कमिंस से अच्छा गेंदबाज क्या हो सकता था खुद को साबित करने के लिए।
We just wanted to watch the ball closely, play to the merit, and express ourselves. That was the only thing which was running on our mind. We didn't really think of how much we should actually be planning on getting.
From Washington Zimra.
They wanted to build that partnership desperately for the team. Again, I said they gave 200%. It's not 100%.
धीरे धीरे खेल बदल रहा था। खतरनाक गेंदबाजी के सामने इन दोनों का जमे रहना वाकई बड़ी बात थी। मैच अब शार्दुल वॉशिंगटन शो बन रहा था।
That partnership between those two batsmen is probably what did a significant amount of breaking the back of the Australian mindset psyche.
I think we probably over-attacked. We thought they were going to just get knocked over. They're on a fast wicket. We thought, okay, we can bowl fast bouncers. They haven't faced that before in Test cricket. But they batted really well. They took the game on.
When you've got a team 5 down, 4-5 down, you've made your way through the guys who're supposed to be scoring the runs. The mindset of many bowlers is, okay, let's run through the tail now, and we've got 2 inexperienced or debutants that we're bowling against. There's not a whole lot of expectations from them. And the longer those batsmen keep the Australian bowlers out there in the field and the fielding team in the field, the more it breaks the spirit of that team. It breaks the back of that team. And then you've got 2 young guys who, yes, they're young, yes, they're inexperienced, but they have played a lot of cricket in India. In a country with a massive number of cricketers, they have fought for years to get to that place where they're eventually picked in the Test team. When you give someone like that the opportunity, history shows us again that very often the debutant, who is the grateful debutant, comes in with nothing to lose and actually delivers. We hear it a fair bit.
What an innings this is. Look at the celebration, the relief, the excitement, and the crowd love it.
जैसे शार्दुल आउट हुए, मुझे रोहित को बहुत बुरा लगा क्योंकि एक्चुअली उन्होंने गेम वहां पर खत्म कर दिया था। उन्होंने ऑस्ट्रेलियंस को बैकफुट पे रखा था और ऑस्ट्रेलियंस ने होप्स छोड़ दिए थे। मतलब गेम अभी था एक्चुअली सेकेंड इनिंग का पूरा। हम उनके टोटल के पास आए थे और बट आई थॉट जो हमने एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि 50 to 60 रन फ्रॉम 186 for 6, उससे ज्यादा हमारे रन बने।
India at the moment have just got a bit more depth, so when they have an injury, it doesn't impact them as much as potentially other teams, and that's the position that all teams want to be in.
दुनिया जिस गेंद को सीमा पार जाते देख रही थी, उसे वॉशिंगटन ने देखा तक नहीं।
No, look, smokes it for 6.
कंगारुओं को इतना नुकसान हो चुका था कि उनके उत्साह में कमी साफ दिख रही थी।
वॉशी का भी पहला मैच है और शार्दुल का भी, तो जो कॉन्फिडेंट था मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकता हूँ। मैं भी करूंगा जाके, तो मैं भी बिंदास एकदम पंप हो चुका था।
सिराज ने भी ऑस्ट्रेलिया के घावों पर नमक लगाने में कमी नहीं रखी।
नटराजन ने कभी बैटिंग ही नहीं करा अपनी लाइफ में। ये और फैसिनेटिंग फैक्ट था कि कभी बैटिंग नहीं करा लाइफ में उसने।
He went there and he played the ball with the bat, and that I think it really made him sleep well that night. He told me also, I've never seen a ball at 150. Gabba, Brisbane, I defended Mitchell Starc solidly.
Hazelwood to Siraj.
सिराज को मतलब ही नहीं था कि बॉल दिख रही है या नहीं। भारत ऑस्ट्रेलिया के बहुत करीब पहुंच चुका था।
They only trail by 33. 9-5 for Josh Hazelwood.
मैच की तीसरी पारी और सामने वार्नर। यह तय था कि सिडनी से अलग वार्नर कुछ बड़ा कर मैच को ऑस्ट्रेलिया के पाले में ले आएंगे।
Back-to-back boundaries. Well left by Marcus Harris. This outstanding battle continues.
चौथे दिन की शुरुआत होते होते कोई नहीं
ये हम लोग जीतेंगे ये सीरीज।
मेरा और गिल का पहले से बात चल रहा था कि भाई मैच जीतना है, आपस में हम लोग कर रहे हैं बात। हाँ, रन ज्यादा हैं, बट स्टिल वी हैव टू गो फॉर द विन।
Bro, I just remember thinking, okay, day 5 is a big day. We've got to take 10 wickets. Ideally, you know, if you've already knocked over one or two of the openers, you go to bed feeling a little bit more confident. But I still thought, big day, 10 wickets to get, but we should win this.
You could almost hear it, the dressing room, the support staff, everybody had created their own narratives. Tomorrow's headlines will read, champion India, dig into their reserves to pull out a draw, and India, you know, level the series or whatever. I think everybody was prepared for that. But what unfolded was anything but that, yeah.
But it was a remarkable day of cricket. And if you take history into account, Australia not losing there, no one chasing even remotely that amount on day 5, with a team that have got 9 of their main players out, it's remarkable.
I heard Mark Waugh say this. It was Sydney, the Sydney pitch didn't deteriorate enough, but it's Gabba, it's Australia's fortress, too many runs to play with. India have no chance, they'll be bowled out by lunch again.
One ball to go on the over.
The wall that Rahul Dravid was, and he sets up to not be able to penetrate, and you've got an incredible battle there of
old-fashioned tough cricketer. And
suddenly Agarwal is in. What does Pant do now?
4 विकेट हो गए अपने, तो आई फेल्ट दैट प्रेशर हल्का सा ज्यादा, यार अभी विकेट नहीं लूज कर सकते यहाँ पे। थोड़ा सा प्रेशर हो गया यहाँ पे, क्योंकि टेल आ गई थी पास में, अभी समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, बट रन बहुत कम चाहिए था हमारे को। मेंटली मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि यार ये ओवर में ही बनाना पड़ेगा, बट स्टिल आई ऑल्सो न्यू इन बैक ऑफ
trying to keep Rishabh Pant on strike.
There have been 10 people who have given their heart and soul, life, blood, everything over a period of 4 days to come to that last particular moment where it was all under Rishabh Pant's bat. He had to bring true meaning to that entire series within those 3 minutes.
Do you go short here? Do you...
Calm and composed. Virat Kohli, passionate.
Trendsetter.
Disciplined, Ajuvia.
He's a fine human being.
Pure leader.
Rishabh Pant is a freak.
Spider-Man.
Mayank Agarwal is a hard-working horse.
Hyper.
Someone who is very expressive.
Ravindra Jadeja was born to play cricket.
Ash bhai ka extra